Hi there, SCA. Mark Canterbury here. Wanting to introduce a brand new event to you that is coming this spring. It is going to be a Western style auction called Boots, Buckles, and Bling. We're going to have a live auction as well as a silent auction on February 25th, which is a Saturday at 5:30 p.m. This is going to be a fundraiser that will benefit the students at our school. We're going to raise money to help with the purchase of a new bus, but also we're going to raise money for technology and security enhancements at our school. Here are some ways that you can help. Number one is a corporate sponsorship. If you know some companies that may be interested in helping us underwrite this event. Number two would be a table sponsorship. Maybe if you have some family and friends that would be interested in coming to this event, we have table sponsorships. And then number three would be individual tickets, and those are $30 each. And as always, you can go to www.scacrusaders.com to buy tickets and also look at the sponsorship levels. The event's going to be out here at beautiful Kathleen's Garden, and we are very excited and we are very thankful that they have donated this event venue for us. So there again, we are very excited about this brand new event for our school. We think that it'll be a time of fun, and we think that it'll be a great benefit for our school. So come out, bid, see what great items that we have, and there again, it is Saturday, February the 25th at 5:30 p.m. Have a great day, SCA.